Sources viewers to NewsX have revealed names of the 6 MPs who are rebelling from the Shiv Sena's UBT faction. Sources say the rebel MPs are Sanjay Dina Patil, the MP for the Mumbai North East Lok Sabha constituency. Bhav Sahib Vakchure is the MP for the Shirdi Lok Sabha constituency. Sanjay Jadhav is the MP from the Parbhani Lok Sabha constituency. Sanjay Deshmukh is the MP from the Yavamadkal Vashim Lok Sabha constituency. Nagesh Patil Ashtikar is a member of parliament for the Hingoli Lok Sabha constituency. Om Raje Nimbalkar is the member of parliament from the Dharashiv, formerly Osmanabad Lok Sabha constituency. Shweta Verma is joining me with the latest updates on this. Shweta, what can you tell our viewers?
Absolutely. This is the biggest development that has taken place in the state of Maharashtra. Of course, the political corridors are buzzing with Operation Tiger and Sena versus Sena sort of headlines now. What we also are given to understand is that as we speak about the MPs of Shiv Sena's UBT camp, now remember, out of 9 MPs, already 6 MPs names are almost confirmed, and one name is again on a dicey part. But yes, one can understand through this factor that apart from Sanjay Raut and Anil Desai, all other names of the MPs that were with the Uddhav Thackeray are said to be sooner joining hands within 48 hours. They will be joining hands with Eknath Shinde camp. So clearly, huge development that has taken place. As you have mentioned about all these 6 MPs, I'll tell you, Vaishali, when there was on this 14th of June, where this particular meeting was held at Matoshri, where Uddhav Thackeray himself convened this meeting, where only 4 MPs were present. Remember, among those 4, even Sanjay Dina Patil, one who is MP from Mumbai North East constituency, was also present there. Remember, now he is the first name where we speak about these 6 MPs going ahead and joining Eknath Shinde faction. So clearly, big tussle that is being emerging and coming to fore from Uddhav Thackeray camp. There are 6 MPs almost confirmed that they will be switching to Eknath Shinde camp.
All right, Shweta, stay on with me. Now, Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Nirupam has launched a sharp attack on the UBT faction in remarks on Operation Tiger. He said the party referred to as Ubatha is slowly declining and losing internal support. Nirupam claimed that MPs and MLAs no longer trust the leadership and are distancing themselves. He further said the party will weaken further by 2029 and eventually fade out. He added that leaders leaving the faction is a continuous process and termed it an internal matter. Let's listen in to that statement.
देखिए, इस संदर्भ में 2 महत्वपूर्ण बातें हैं। एक तो ऑपरेशन टाइगर जैसी जो शब्दावली है, वह मीडिया द्वारा रची हुई शब्दावली है, हमारा उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं। एक और दूसरी महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि उबाठा नाम की पार्टी अब धीरे धीरे खत्म हो रही है। उबाठा के नेतृत्व पर उबाठा के जो एमएलएज हैं, जो एमपीज हैं, अब उनका विश्वास नहीं रहा। तो 2029 आते आते ये पार्टी पूरी तरह से खत्म हो जाएगी। क्यों? क्योंकि रोज उबाठा छोड़ करके उद्धव ठाकरे के नेतृत्व में अविश्वास जताते हुए लोग पार्टी छोड़ के बाहर निकल रहे हैं। अब उनके जहां तक सांसदों की बात है, हमारा उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं। उनकी पार्टी का यह अंदरूनी विषय है। उन्होंने पिछले दिनों मातोश्री में एक बैठक बुलाई थी और उद्धव ठाकरे जी, जो हमेशा फेसबुक लाइव रहते हैं, पहली बार उनसे प्रेरणा लेकर के उनके सांसद ऑनलाइन लाइव हो गए और उन्होंने मीटिंग ज्वाइन नहीं की, जबकि उनको 2-3 दिन पहले इस प्रकार की सूचना दी गई थी। तो इनके विधायकों में, इनके सांसदों में एक जबरदस्त असंतोष है। उस असंतोष का नतीजा क्या होगा मुझे नहीं मालूम है, लेकिन यह पार्टी आने वाले दिनों में धीरे धीरे खत्म हो जाएगी और इसके जितने महत्वपूर्ण लोग हैं वो सब पार्टी छोड़ के चले जाएंगे। अब क्यों छोड़ के जा रहे हैं? क्योंकि एक तो उबाठा का नेतृत्व बहुत अहंकारी नेतृत्व है, दूसरा यह है कि उबाठा का नेतृत्व अपने एमएलए अपने एमपीज के लिए एक्सेसिबल नहीं है। तीसरी बात यह है कि उबाठा के नेतृत्व में जो दोनों प्रमुख ठाकरे हैं।
Right, I have with me my colleague Shweta Verma. Now, Shweta, of course, this scathing attack by Sanjay Nirupam. What more can you tell us on this?
Well, that's right. Sanjay Nirupam once again launching scathing attack on Uddhav Thackeray. Now, remember, he calls that Ubhatha as Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray. That's UBT in English. And this is what he has been saying, that Ubhatha is not so efficient when it comes to strengthening his party or a better communication or a smooth coordination between him and his MPs or his MLAs or his party workers. Having said that, he also stated that by 2029, his party would be closer to dissolve because as it is, the party has weakened so much and there is inefficiency that is seen in the leadership that Uddhav Thackeray hasn't been able to do well when it comes to the Shiv Sena UBT as a political party. And he also somewhere mocked Uddhav Thackeray, stating that when prior to the physical presence to be there at Matoshri, his MPs chose to join virtually, taking lessons from Uddhav Thackeray. This dates back to COVID period, and during that time when Uddhav Thackeray was the then chief minister, he used to conduct more of video conferencings, and this is what he has been relating that here as well, stating that his MPs were taking lessons from him and joining through video conference. So clearly, Sanjay Nirupam, earlier he was with Congress for a very, very long time, but in a recent development during the elections, just like Shaina NC switching party from BJP to Eknath Shinde camp, similarly Sanjay Nirupam leaving Congress and joining hands with the Eknath Shinde camp. So launching scathing attack and talking about Uddhav Thackeray and his so-called inefficient, by the words of Sanjay Nirupam, stating that his party has weakened.
All right, Shweta, stay on with me. And now, viewers, we're shifting focus. Now, close friend of actress Sanchita Ogale, Gitanjali